In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a domain from your Wix account. Whether you're streamlining your online presence or simply making some necessary changes, this can be an essential step. Let's walk through it together to ensure everything goes smoothly and you're fully informed every step of the way. First, you'll want to navigate to the Domain section in your Wix account. This is where all the domains you currently have connected to your Wix sites will be listed. To find this section, start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're in, look for the Domains tab on your dashboard. It's generally located in a section where you manage your site settings and other site-related tools. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in the Domain section, scan through your list of domains. You're looking for the specific domain you want to remove from your Wix account. Take your time. And if you have multiple domains, make sure you select the correct one to avoid making changes to the wrong site. This is important because removing a domain means you will sever its connection from your Wix website. So double-check your choice before moving forward. When you've located your domain, you'll notice a Domain Actions icon right next to it. This icon looks like a small gear or settings adjustment icon, depending on your interface. It's essentially where you'll find options to manage your domain. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of actions you can perform. From the list of available actions, you'll see the option to Remove from Wix. Selecting this option initiates the domain removal process, so be sure that this is what you want to do. After you click Remove from Wix, the platform will prompt you to confirm your decision. This extra step is a safeguard to ensure you're deliberately taking this action, as removing a domain is a significant change. After confirming the removal, it's essential to be aware that this process will effectively disconnect your domain from your Wix site. This means that your website will no longer be live at this domain, so any visitors trying to access your site using this domain will not reach your Wix site anymore. You'll need to prepare by updating the domain name system or DNS settings with your domain registrar. Updating the DNS settings ensures that the domain functions correctly if you plan to reconnect it to a different platform or manage it separately. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to remove a domain from your Wix account. With this task accomplished, you can now manage your domains with greater flexibility. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore additional resources.